Hello everyone, how are you all? कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? I hope you all must be having a great time and must be enjoying this series, guys. Now let us move forward in our world geography mapping series, which we had already started. In the last part, we started with Asia. Part number one. In Asia, part number one, we had understood the political aspect of Asia. Where is Mongolia situated? Where is Brunei situated? Where is Jordan situated? What are the neighboring countries? We had tried to understand that aspect in the last part. Now this is the continuation. This is part number two, and I will be adding more information now. Right. So over here, those people who are directly coming to this video, let me tell you that we had already covered 80% of the mapping. We have covered South America, North America, Africa, Europe. You can check out the playlist. All these videos you will be finding over there, and then in sequence you try to see the videos, guys. If you will be directly coming to this particular continent, some information which I have given you earlier, it will not make sense, right? So now we are at Asia's part number two. One thing I must say that you should able to realize this. Are you able to recall the information or not? Because ultimately UPSC is that game only, guys. And in the first class I told you that we are going to take this world geography on tips. I hope you can able to see that, guys, in your understanding level, not only completed from my videos, but also you must be able to recall the information whenever it needs within seconds, right? I will be checking that too in today's class also. Try to repeat and try to let me know also that how is your command with respect to world geography. So the last part we had seen the countries over here, right? In today's part, what we are going to find is all the seas over here present in Asia. There are a lot of seas you will be finding, guys. Okay, some of you are familiar with over here, but this portion which is there, you might not be that much familiarized. That we are going to see, that we are going to understand right now. Where is Yellow Sea? Where is South China Sea? Where is Japan Sea? Where is Sea of Okhotsk? Where is your one more Celebes Sea? Right, that is confusing over there, and question might be asked from there too. Right, the complex seas which you have seen one in Europe, now you are going to see in this Asia part all over. So today's agenda, what you can see over here, from Persian Gulf, Red Sea to Sea of Japan, Sea of Okhotsk, South China Sea, Philippine Sea, Celebes Sea, that we are going to understand. Also, we are going to see the important places which have been in news, which are in news in the last 4 or 5 years. I'm going to tell you from these countries, and West Asia is the highlighted country over here, guys. So we are going to understand these places in news or important places also. One type of places in news video I'll be making it in the last, like in the month of March, April, so that till then whatever news has been there with respect to the places which were often in news in the last 4 or 5 months also, I'll be making a separate video for that also. So don't worry, repetitively it will be coming these places only. One or two new places will be there, right? And the third agenda of this class will be straight. So today's agenda, places, important places. This is first agenda. Second agenda, seas over here. And third agenda will be islands and straits. Straits. A lot of straits also you are going to find. And then we will be able to merge it with the first part where we have understood about the political boundaries of the countries. And the last part, in the last part number 3, we are going to see the physical feature. Okay, likewise, slowly, we are not rushing the things. We are not completing the things in 15-20 minutes, guys. And you will find videos like this also where entire things will be taught in 15 to 20 minutes. But we are taking our appropriate time, and that this is the now what Asia continent we are moving ahead with. You must have understood that how we are moving ahead, guys. Okay, so there is no need to explain more about the objective or ideology of these classes. Okay, so let us see first of all this portion which you can which is highlighted in news a lot, right? A hotspot region you will be finding over here. So first of all, the water bodies over here: Mediterranean Sea, Cyprus countries. In the last class, Turkey you have seen. This is Iran, this is Syria, this is Iraq. Then Lebanon is highlighted by Israel. Palestine is over here. Then Jordan. This is Saudi Arabia. This is Kuwait. And these three I told you to remember: Bahrain, Qatar, and UAE. This is Oman, Yemen, like this I have told you to remember. This is Georgia, Armenia and Azerbaijan. So let us focus upon these countries and what are the important places over here. For example, in your exam directly came Aleppo. Do you know where is Aleppo? Mazar-e-Sharif. Do you know where it is? Do you know where is Ramsar? You must have heard about Ramsar. Do you know where is Mosul, Kirkuk? Important places from West Asia, guys. Now we will be exploring this and we will be making the list of some important places. Likewise, we have understood in the Europe and in the Africa continent also. Right? So like this, we will be moving at, or in the all the continent, we have seen some important places. So let us focus first of all over here with this particular country, that is Israel. Right, and you will be understanding the Palestine also over here. Let us go over here. A lot of things you need to understand and question will be asked from here in any examination you take. Civil services के लिए तो important है ही, because over here one more important C's you are going to find. And Israel is, first of all, you try to focus again, guys. Israel on the eastern side, having borders with Syria, yes. Having bordered with Jordan, yes. Is it having border with Saudi Arabia? No. In the western side, it is having border with Mediterranean Sea. Above side, you will be seeing Lebanon. Downward side, Sinai Peninsula, that is the part of Egypt. Right? In international relations, you will be understanding about the different wars fought between Israel and the Arab world. Right? And then you will be understanding the story of the Sinai Peninsula too. Then in your mind, this particular structure should come. Let me take you to Israel. Very important, highly in news. Okay? See guys, this is the Israeli map. I have a different map of Israel. Now, first of all, let me show you where you will be seeing the things. Directly, you don't see here and there. Let me first of all focus over here, guys. Okay. So I have told you, first of all, see the borders over here, borders. Lebanon, and then you will be finding Syria touch is also there. Then you will be finding Jordan touch will be coming over here. And is Israel having the touch with the Red Sea also? Yes, this is the thing which I was telling you before also. Again, I am telling you. A slight touch you will be seeing over here. That is the port city you will be knowing. Eilat over here. Eilat over here you will be finding of Israel. Right, so Israel is also having the touch. In this map also you try to see, let me zoom it out over here, and Gulf of Aqaba it is touching, and this side Jordan it will be touching over here, right? See over here you will be finding there are one lake over here, you are going to find Sea of Galilee. In the lakes part also, in the next part I'll be telling you about them, but you understand that Sea of Galilee is between Syria and Israel, and this will be asked no doubt over here. Okay, Sea of Galilee, try to see again. Then over here river Jordan is flowing. Sea of Galilee is also known by one another name which I'll be telling you in the lakes part. So I'll not confuse you with the lake information. This just we are assessing Israel right now. So we are seeing Jordan over here. Jordan river will be flowing and will be flowing down to this Dead Sea. Dead Sea is having one of the highest salinity after Lake Van, guys. And that also in the next part. Right, this is also a lake over here. And then in the end you will be finding this Red Sea. It is getting connected with or Gulf of Aqaba. Okay, but now this particular part we have to focus upon the places which are important. First of all, this is Palestine, and in between that West Bank and the Gaza Strip are the what part of Palestine, right? And frequently you must have heard these particular two countries in the news since last a decade. You will be finding, and majorly in last 4 or 5 years they have been in news frequently. Few places which I want you to understand over here is the port city Haifa. Haifa, very important. Right, Nazareth, very important. Pilgrimage center also you will be finding. Nazareth. Tel Aviv is the capital itself. Jerusalem is the capital itself. So there is no need to learn in that. You automatically will be knowing. Beersheba has been in news, guys. Beersheba. So keep in mind that Beersheba is basically in your Israel. So these three part I will suggest, because there are many places. How many you will learn? So these three places I would suggest you to remember it. Okay, now hereby you will be finding between Israel and Syria there is one part which is disputed. This is Golan Heights. Can you see? So Golan Heights is this part between Israel, Syria. Over here you will be finding. ठीक है, ये वाला रीजन आपको देखने को मिलेगा. दैट दिस इज अ डिस्प्यूटेड रीजन. इट इज नोन एज गोलन हाइट्स. गोलन हाइट्स. सो गोलन हाइट्स इज ओवर हेयर, गाइस. ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग टू इजराइल. इन इजराइल, ओ सॉरी, कमिंग टू पैलेस्टीन. पैलेस्टीन में यू हैव टू सी वेस्ट बैंक, And West Bank and Gaza Strip. There are certain places which you have to note. Rafah, can you see Rafah? This is a Rafah province over here of Palestine. Rafah crossing is over here. So Rafah is hugely in news in the last 2-3 years. Not only last year, but in the last 2-3 years, Rafah has been in news. Khan Yunis has been in news, right? Gaza City you already know. So this you can remember, Rafah, Khan Yunis. By the name itself, Khan Yunis. This is not of Pakistan, but this is a city over here in Gaza Strip. This is Gaza. Okay, and this is a West Bank, overall West Bank. In West Bank, you will be finding one Jerusalem city over here and one more Jericho. Can you see, find the Jericho? This Jericho, very important historical site also, guys. Jericho is over here, highly important. So either they will write it as West Bank or Palestine, right? So like this, you will be able to solve it. Rest of the province, you forget. Ramallah. Ramallah also, Ramallah or Ramallah, if you want to learn, you can learn this to part 2, that this is over here, Ramallah. Okay, again, these has not come yet in the examination. Once they will come, they will become famous like Aleppo. They will become famous like the rest of the information which we have read, right? So that's why I'm saying don't wait for it to come in the examination. Be prepared. This is the time to work hard. Okay, so over here, Jericho, Ramallah, Khan Yunis, Rafah, you take from Palestine. And from here also Palestine, Israel, this covering Dead Sea. Okay, so Jordan is covering this particular whole Israel from this side. So that also you try to take care of. Okay, so over here a lot of places I have told you, that is Haifa, Nazareth, Beersheba. In Gaza Strip I have told you about Rafah and one more particular part, that is Khan Yunis, the name Khan Yunis. Over here I have told you about Jericho, very important when you will be learning, though you will not be learning ancient world history, but in ancient world history Jericho is one of the most famous place, guys, most famous place. And Ramallah also you will be finding over here. Ramallah. And Jerusalem itself you are seeing in the borders between Israel and over here West Bank. Okay, in the lakes part, I'll be telling you about more about Sea of Galilee and Dead Sea. Sea of Galilee is also known by Lake Tiberias. Tiberias. So if you want to learn it right now, you can learn. Otherwise, in the lake part, we again are going to follow this. See this part of West Bank, Rafah crossing, can you see? Khan Yunis, Gaza City, and Erez crossing at the north side. Erez crossing. This has been in news also. Erez crossing you can highlight. Rafah crossing over here you can highlight. Again, this has been in news over here, and a lot of places we have learned. Khan Yunis, Rafah, Beersheba, Jerusalem, Ramallah, Netanyahu, by the name itself of Netanyahu you will learn. Tel Aviv, okay, Haifa, over here, Nazareth, over here you have learned, guys, more than enough, right? So this Israel and Palestine now must be clear and crystal to you with political understanding over here. Now we will be moving on to next countries. Next countries are not that much important, but some places will be taking it, right? For example, let us start with Turkey, Iran, then Syria, Iraq. These are some important. Saudi Arabia, Oman, Yemen, Oman. Let us explore these countries. See this Turkey over here, guys. In the Turkey, I have told you the capital Ankara, but you have to remember this. The only city which is transcontinental, that is Istanbul. So Istanbul also you will remember from here, Istanbul, right? One more place over here is Troy. Remember Troy also, guys. Anatolian Plateau. Can you see this Anatolian Plateau? In the plateau in the next part I'll be telling you. Over here from where the 6.1 earthquake came. That's why this Balıkesir was in news. Balıkesir. So Balıkesir and Bursa you can remember by this, that these are in Turkey. Balıkesir and Bursa. Rest you already know about the Sea of Marmara, Bosphorus Strait, Dardanelles Strait, surrounded by Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea over here. Cyprus, this is island independent country, capital Nicosia. Over here Aegean Sea you can see, right? So this was Turkey. Now Iran you see over here, guys. In Iran, Tehran is the capital. Iran, first of all, nearby you will be finding this is Turkey. Above side is covered by Turkey, but the major border is with Iraq. So see this Iraq. Is Kuwait touching it? No, Kuwait is not touching Iran, right? In the eastern side Afghanistan, southern side Pakistan, above side Turkmenistan, and Caspian side, Caspian Sea in between. Again and again I am showing you with different perspective how these boundaries are connected. So your information should get re-strengthened again and again, guys. Pause the video, try to see in your head like how and where Iran is placed. Once you will see yourself, ये मेहनत आपको खुद को करनी पड़ेगी, and this will bring fruits in the examination, you will realize, right? So over here you take first of all Bandar Abbas. This is the port over here, port city, Bandar Abbas. Very important guys. ठीक है, Bushehr, Bushehr, Bushehr over here, very important again in Iran. These are in Iran. Also you see Persian Gulf over here, Strait of Hormuz, and this is Gulf of Oman. This also is highlighted over here. Now you will be finding one more important place on which this Ramsar convention is there. You study in environment and you have to learn a lot of Ramsar sites of India, right? So this Ramsar place is over here guys. This is the major province. Ramsar is not a province. Ramsar is a city over here in one major province of Iran itself. So Ramsar, you will be learning over here that this is present over here. Okay. Ramsar, Bandar Abbas, Bushehr, and over here Zahedin. Zahedin is the, can you tell me Zahedin? You must have read it in your current affairs also while learning the connectivity which India want to make from here. Right. So Zahedin will be connected over here with Chabahar port, which we are invested in. Chabahar port. So this is not shown over here, but Chabahar port over here you will be finding guys. And this will be connected with this particular Zahedin in NR. So don't get confused that Zahedin is in Afghanistan. It is not in Afghanistan. Then there will be a cross-border road which will be made, railway link cross-border road which will be made, and one place in Afghanistan will be connected, Zaranj. Don't confuse right now, I'll be showing you, and then that will be moving ahead, right? So this also you should remember guys. Over here Chabahar, Zahedin, Bandar Abbas, Bushehr, Tehran already you know. This over here, that is Ramsar. Okay, next you move to Iraq guys. Very important, Iraq. In the rivers next particular part, I'll be telling you about the rivers also, but these are the rivers where one of the first civilizations you will be finding, that is of Mesopotamia civilization. Okay, this Mesopotamia region you are going to find over here, but that is a different thing. So over here in these rivers are the lifeline of civilization. तो यहाँ पर आपको important cities मिलेंगे. For example, first of all, the capital Baghdad. If you will move a bit above, you will be finding one important city over here, that is Mosul. Important because this has come earlier in the examination, so that it can return also in the form of PYQ, which are getting repeated. तो 4 sites होंगी, उसमें से एक Mosul हो सकता है. Let me tell you. And 2 will be new. Kirkuk, over here you will be finding Kirkuk. Important, Kirkuk, right? Zahedin, Bushehr, ये सारे similar sounding names हैं, you will get confused. So that's why you have to revise again and again. And already I have told you Bushehr, Bandar Abbas, Chabahar, and above Ramsar. These all were in Iran. ठीक है, ये इराक है. Baghdad over here. And now over here at the mouth, over here if you can see, where these 2 rivers join, Al-Basra. And this is flowing, this Iraq is also connected with Persian Gulf. So don't assume that Iraq is a landlocked country. Iran is also connected over here, this part, with the Persian Gulf. And over here nearby Kuwait you are seeing. Downward side Saudi Arabia, sideward side Iran. At the top Turkey. In the west Syria. And over here Jordan also. So likewise, I hope these are very important countries. So you have to understand their borders also. Jordan, Syria, Turkey, Iran. These are important over here. One more place if you want to learn over here. Karbala, you must have heard about Karbala. Battle of Karbala, very holy. It is for the Shia people over here. Shiites, Battle of Karbala. From the Islamic history, you will be understanding this name. Since then, you will be finding Shia and Sunni split too. So the Karbala is in Iraq, not in Saudi. Okay, Al-Rutba, Fallujah. Now these are other important names, but not important than these places which I have told you. Fallujah also you can take, because Fallujah you can get confused with UAEs. UAEs a lot of names, so you will find like this only. Okay, so Fallujah, Karbala, Al-Basra, Kirkuk, Mosul are from here. Nazareth is in Israel, a Judaism site over here, Israel site guys. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now let me take you to more western side, that is Syria. Syria capital is Damascus. First of all, you see bit nearby Lebanon. And over here now another important places like Homs, very important guys, Homs, Aleppo. 4 or 5 years down the line, when ISIS was active, these places were becoming in news, were highly in news over here. Aleppo, Homs, and Aleppo is a PYQ again. ठीक है, Damascus you already know. What you have to see over here is above side it is surrounded by Turkey. Over here Mediterranean Sea, Iraq, Jordan. So this is having no connection with the Saudi Arabia you will be finding. ठीक है, Iraq will be in the eastern side over here. So Syria over here, rest of the things like these rivers and all we will be understanding in the next class. Aleppo you can remember, Homs from here you can remember more than enough, Damascus. See the Jordan part over here too. Jordan, very very important. Jordan, capital Amman, and over here Irbid. Irbid you are going to find one important place of Jordan, Irbid. ठीक है, rest you just forget, no need to see them. And over here Al Aqaba. Can you see Aqaba? So this Gulf of Aqaba name is coming from this Aqaba place only. And where is this Aqaba place? Not in Israel but is over here. And I have told you that in Israel there is one place over here which you have to remember also. That is Eilat. Eilat. Right, in Israel. And Al Aqaba over here. That's why Gulf of Aqaba. Now everything must be making some sense over here, guys. Okay, so Jordan, Al Aqaba, Amman, Irbid, and one more place, Petra. Important place. So Irbid, Amman, Petra, and Al Aqaba. Very important from Jordan. Israel, Jerusalem, this West Bank you have already seen. Syria you have already seen. Lebanon, let me show you. This is Lebanon over here. Beirut is the capital. Right. Tripoli. This is Tripoli is different. Libya's Tripoli is different. And UPSC will not confuse you by making you confusion with respect to Lebanon and Libya. Right. But this is the Lebanon's Tripoli over here you are going to find. Okay. One important place if you want to learn, this is Tyre. Rest not very important. Okay. But you see the surrounded countries in the south, Israel, Syria. Above you are going to find Syria only. Okay. So these places we have covered over here now. Ankara, I hope you remember Ankara, Istanbul. Balikesar, can you remember Balikesar? Bursa, Troy. This is Istanbul over here. Istanbul. Right. If you will come to Syria, you will be finding Aleppo, Damascus. Nearby this Damascus you are going to find Homs, Damascus, Aleppo. In Lebanon, Tyre, apart from Beirut, you have already known. Over here in Palestine, I have told you a lot of names, Palestine and Israel, that you have to remember, like Nazareth, Haifa, right, Eilat, right. One more province, this downward side province I have told you, Beersheba, I have told you. Then can you remember Rafah crossing? Then can you remember Khan Yunis, Erez crossing? Can you remember the West Bank places? West Bank, what I have told you in West Bank, like Jericho, Ramallah. Right, so over here you will be finding this. In Jordan, I have told you Al Aqaba. In Iraq, there are many places like Mosul, Kirkuk, Al Basra. In Iran, there are many places like Ramsar, Bushehr. This is Bandar Abbas. This is over here Chabahar, Zahedin. Okay? And Tehran over here somewhere you will be finding like this. Let us see Saudi Arabia and these countries now. Let us focus upon these countries also. Highly in news, that's why each and every country is important. See Saudi Arabia, guys. Capital Riyadh. Two holy places in Islam, that is Medina and Mecca, you will be finding over here. One port city important, Jeddah. You are going to find over here Jeddah. Right, important. Mecca, Medina. Okay. Apart from this, you will be finding other physical feature that we'll be seeing later on. This is more than enough over here, guys. This is Gulf of Aqaba. This is Red Sea. If you can remember, Daman over here. Ad Daman. Daman you can remember. It is in the Persian Gulf site. Okay, this is more than enough over here in Saudi Arabia. Then in Yemen, the capital is Sana'a. already you have known. Okay, over here you are finding this Aden, because the name is Gulf of Aden. So somewhere Aden place should be there, that is in Yemen, not in Somalia, not in Djibouti. This is the country of Djibouti over here, guys, and over here Yemen. So they can ask you, Bab al Mandeb is basically between Yemen or Ethiopia, Yemen or Somalia, Yemen or Eritrea. It is between Yemen and Djibouti to be exact, right? If Djibouti is not there, then you will go into the second best option. So Aden, you will be remembering it. Sana, you will be remembering it. One island is of Yemen over here, that is Socotra. So Socotra island is of Yemen, you will be remembering. Islands. Island question, I have told you earlier also that island question can come. देखिए यहाँ तो फिर भी आपको कम आइलैंड देखने को मिल रहे हैं, बट आइलैंड्स देयर वर मैनी इन अफ्रीका, देयर वर मैनी इन यूरोप. ठीक है, तो आप ये यहाँ पर ध्यान रखिएगा. यमन से Oman, when you will be going in Oman, you have to remember first of all this Salalah, pronunciate the way you want. Salalah, important port city over here, guys. ठीक है, then over here Dukm port, very important. Dukm port, right? Dukm, important. ठीक है, Gulf of Masira, can you find over here Gulf of Masira and a Masira island? So this Masira island and Gulf of Masira are of Aman. Capital Muscat over here, you will be understanding this. Okay, so this Muscat, Dukm, Gulf of Masira, Salalah, you have to remember over here, guys, right? And then Gulf of Oman, like this you will be known as, and it is the Oman part is also over here, and this is known as Musandam Peninsula. So Musandam Peninsula, important, highly important. Musandam Peninsula, Yucatan, Baja, like this might come in the examination. So Musandam is not of UAE but is of Oman. Oman का ध्यान में रखो. Musandam Peninsula, again I am telling you. ठीक है, there are a lot of peninsulas we have understood. In the comments you tell me about Yucatan, and that too only if you have remembered it, and even if you are not sure about it, type so that you can understand that where you are going wrong. Baja, Iberian. Now I am not typing Scandinavian. Scandinavian you will already know. Labrador, Kamchatka, right? This Musandam you have already learned over here, so keep that also in comments. So later on, if you will see this video prior to prelims, this should be highlighted. Musandam, Yucatan, Baja. Or if you will be practicing later on, what you can do, that you can make the chart of these peninsulas. Okay, highly important because it will come in the examination sooner or later. Okay, in any examination you say. Now over here you see the United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates are divided between many provinces over here. Like you will be finding first the capital Abu Dhabi. Second, which you have to remember, the famous tourist spot, that is Dubai. And over here Sharjah. Whereas Jeddah is not in UAE but in Saudi Arabia. Sharjah is in UAE. Dubai over here. Jebel Ali, guys. Jebel Ali, very important port. Jebel Ali you will be finding over here. Highly important port you will be finding Jebel Ali. Jebel Ali. Now port question will also be there. Jebel Ali. चलो ये solve करके मेरे को बताओ comments में. Jebel Ali तो अभी पढ़ लिया. Everybody will be knowing it. ठीक है. दुखम भी आपने अभी पढ़ लिया. Everybody will be knowing it. Now you tell me about, if I ask you, okay, you tell me about this particular part of Port Said. You tell me about Port Harcourt. Okay, there were many, I am not able to remember few which I wanted to ask. Over here one more you can tell me, like this Port Haifa, ये तो अभी आपने पढ़ा है. ठीक है, these are certain port spaces over here. Harcourt, Sayed, Tukman, Jebel Ali. ठीक है, some of the port cities can you tell me of, like Casablanca, important. ठीक है, so this also you should not miss. Like this, a lot of port city we have done, but just tell me about this also over here, like Port Said, Port Harcourt, Port Haifa. Can be asked anytime. Okay, so over here, one more city you have to remember, Al Fujuraha. Al Fujuraha over here. Dubai, Jebel Ali, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, you will already remember. So these are certain important over here places. Now, Strait of Hormuz is one important choke point for trade, right? And the importance you must be understanding right now also because of the geopolitical tensions which you are seeing in West Asia. So that's why this question from mapping might be probable that between which countries the Strait of Hormuz passes by. So this over here is Oman, guys. Okay, Oman. And this over here is basically your Iran. So this is between this for exactly. But if they are not giving it Oman, the second best guess would be UAE. Okay, it will not be आपका Saudi Arabia, है ना? So this is one important part over here. Now this is Qatar, Doha you will be remembering, Bahrain, Manama, Kuwait City, Kuwait you will be remembering, Kuwait City. So West Asia, important places we have highlighted, and these are the areas which we should focus upon more. Then I'll be showing you the Southeast Asia or Central Asia part also. But these three countries I have shown you in Europe also. Right now, let me show you this again, these three countries. First of all, Georgia, can you see? So Georgia is connected with this Black Sea, not Caspian, where Azerbaijan is connected with Caspian Sea. And again, try to think from that perspective. Georgia capital, Tbilisi, is over here, right? Important. Rest you don't collect more information from here. I'll be telling you more about in the physical part. Armenia is over here, guys. See Armenia. Okay, Armenia. And Armenia capital is Yerevan. Armenia capital is Yerevan. Connected with over here Turkey and downside Iran and over here Azerbaijan. Okay. Just wait. So over here Azerbaijan capital Baku, near the Caspian Sea over here you will be finding. And apart from that, I have already told you the Nagorno-Karabakh region. Nagorno-Karabakh region already asked also. Though this has been asked in 2024 and my earlier series I have made in 2022, I have told in that too, Nagorno-Karabakh, and it came in 2024. Okay, so sincerely listen all the places because I am telling you relevant information over here only. Okay. So this you will be finding over here Azerbaijan. Rest of the places forget them. Now let us quickly focus upon the Central Asia. Kazakhstan, can you remember this? UK, can you remember this TT? And this is your 5 countries over here. Also, some other important facts in the last class I have told you about how they are located. As Uzbekistan is not touching Caspian Sea, you have to remember that, right? So let us see one by one these countries too. See first of all Kazakhstan, guys. Kazakhstan capital Astana, surrounded by Russia from this side also, right? Kazakhstan over here. This is landlocked or not? This is landlocked because I have told you Caspian Sea is a lake. So like this Caspian Sea, they have surrounded it. Acha, one important declaration you must have heard about in your somewhere, Almaty Declaration. Can you tell me in the comments what is Almaty Declaration is related to? So this Almaty, which you have heard about or which you will be reading in your IR or current affairs, is basically is in Kazakhstan. Very important, right? So this you will be remembering. Okay, more than enough in this Kazakhstan area. See this below this Uzbekistan, RLC and all. I'll be telling you in the last part. Don't worry about it. These are the physical feature, lakes, rivers, है ना? So Uzbekistan capital Tashkent. In the history classes, I have told you about Fargana, from where Babur will be coming. So this Fargana, Samarkand is over here. So in the history also, if you have seen my history classes, you will be finding them over here too. Bukhara is one place over here, guys. Bukhara, Samarkand, Fargana, important places in Uzbekistan over here. Right. So this keep this in mind. 3-4 places which I have told you from Uzbekistan. Side by side, you will be finding Kyrgyzstan too. Where is Kyrgyzstan, guys? चलो किर्गिस्तान में आपको दिखाता हूँ थोड़ी देर में. अभी आप ये देखो तजाकिस्तान is near to India over here, right? So over here you are going to find Tajikistan, in like below side Afghanistan over here. Tajikistan capital Dushanbe. So Dushanbe, you will be remembering this. Apart from that, there is no other important area, but you can see this some unique name, Leninabad. Lenin and Bath. So Leninabad is one unique place over here you will be finding. So if you want to remember, you can remember this. See this Turkmenistan over here, Ashgabat capital, right? Important. Ashgabat. This also, and this is touching the Caspian Sea from here also. Downward side Iran, Afghanistan, Uzbekistan, right? Can you tell me this particular country over here? This country over here you will be finding as Afghanistan, guys. Afghanistan. This is Afghanistan. This is Kyrgyzstan. So Kyrgyzstan, you will be finding first of all capital. Where is the capital of Bishkek? So this Bishkek capital is over here, right? Touching with Uzbekistan over here, right? And downward side Tajikistan you are going to find. So just remember Bishkek from here. Okay. In Afghanistan, you will be remembering a lot of places like Mazar-e-Sharif over here, Kabul over here, Jalalabad over here. Right, Jalalabad, Kabul, Kandahar, all this are very important history. In history, you must have heard about the Kandahar campaign, Kabul campaign. This Hindu Kush are mountain ranges. In the next class, I'll be telling you about them. Take rivers and all, I'll be telling you about them. Herat, very important. Herat over here. Zaranj, can you see Zaranj? Zahedin to Zaranj, a train route or railway route will be found over here. So it will be facilitating our trade, which we are doing the investment in Chahabahar. So this Charanj you will be finding over here, guys. Charanj, Herat, Kandahar, Jalalabad, Kabul, Mazar-e-Sharif. These places you remember over here. And Farah also, if you want to remember, remember Farah, because over here one major river, Farah river flows. Though not important. Farah river is not important, right? And in the history classes, I have told you that there are few important passes like KGB, Ghulam, and Khyber, Ghulam, and Bolan Pass, right? Like this. ठीक है. So this is Afghanistan over here, guys. ठीक है. Next is your Pakistan over here. See this Pakistan. From the top, can you see the connectivity with Afghanistan? This is the right map which you can see over here. ठीक है. And this is the most destabilizing region right now. ठीक है. News वगैरह आप देख रहे होगे. Regarding that, I'll not comment more, but you see from the mapping perspective. This whole class objective is from the mapping perspective. The Sindh region you will be finding over here. So they are having certain provinces like Sindh, Baluchistan, Punjab, right, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Peshawar, this particular region. Islamabad you are going to find over here, guys. Islamabad, Peshawar over here. In history you will be reading a lot about these places: Peshawar, Islamabad, Lahore. Pakistan capital is Islamabad, right? Then you will be finding Lahore, Multan you see over here, exactly Multan. ठीक है. Then Gujarat place you are seeing over here. Gujarat, that not of our Gujarat as a state, but city. Battle of Gujarat happened over here between the Sikhs and Anglo-Sikh war you will be finding. So Karachi port over here you see Karachi. Important city, Karachi city over here, Karachi. ठीक है, तो Karachi यहाँ पर है. So remember this also. Gwadar, can you see this Gwadar port? Gwadar. This is Gwadar. Let me zoom. This is Gwadar, Karachi. This is Abbottabad over here, Abbottabad. Al-Qaeda leader Osama bin Laden, if you can remember something from here. ठीक है, and this is connecting over here downside Iran. This is Afghanistan at the above side over here. And this is our lovely country, India. So I hope we have taken a good understanding of these region. This region over here. Indian physical we will be understanding all in Indian physical classes, right? And then Indian mapping, if you want me to complete this Indian mapping also, rivers, mountains, I'll be doing it for you if you're liking it. If you can comment, or if you want it, let me know in the comments. I'll be doing it for you guys. ठीक है. So this concepts we have, this particular countries are done. Now let us focus upon these countries over here, these Southeast Asian countries. ठीक है, इन पे focus करेंगे. Rest are bigger countries: Russia, China, Mongolia, Japan. All these are bigger countries over here. So first of all, see Myanmar over here, guys. Myanmar, can you spot Myanmar? In Myanmar, there will be a lot of places like Sitwe Port. Can you see the Sitwe Port? Kaladan multi-modal project, and it will be Kaladan multi-modal project. So Sitwe Port is highlighted over here, and Sitwe to Chittagong it will be getting connected, right? Chittagong, and over here also you will be finding in the place of Manipur and Mizoram. Right, and this you have to understand also when you will be reading about this multimodal project in your current affairs or IR. So Sitwe, it will be connected to Paletwa. So this Paletwa is also over here, somewhere over here in Myanmar. Then it will be connected to Kaletwa. Paletwa, Kaletwa, Sitwe, all are in Myanmar. And then it will be going to this particular part of Mizoram. Over here, this is Mizoram, like this Paletwa, Kaletwa, and this is Mizoram. In Mizoram, you will be finding Zorinpui. In Mizoram, you will be finding one place, Zorinpui. It will be connected like this. ठीक है, Zorinpui. Paletwa, Sittwe. And from Sittwe is basically this particular connected with Kolkata. Kolkata it will be connected with. So important Kaladan multi-modal project. If you want, just see it once, and or whenever you will be reading it about, just try to remember these places again, right? So Myanmar. Capital is Naypyidaw. Yangon. Rangoon was the earlier name of Myanmar, Burma, Rangoon, right? So this Yangon over here, Sitwa over here. ठीक है. Mandalay, important Mandalay. So Mandalay is also over here. In Myanmar, this is also map of Myanmar. Can you see the Shan Plateau? Though plateau in the next class I'll be telling you. Okay, don't worry about that. So this is one thing I have told you. Next, you will move on to Thailand. In Thailand, important place Bangkok. That's more than enough over here. Okay. Phuket. Must have heard about the Phuket Island. This is the Phuket Island over here. A lot of islands are famous, but Phuket Island is over here. Near to Nicobar Island, you will be finding. Okay. So this also you keep in mind. The channels, these Gulf, all we are going to learn, but not right now. After a few minutes, we are going to understand that. Laos, Vientiane, you learn. Cambodia, from you learn. Okay. Vietnam, let me show you some of the Hanoi. Hanoi country is also, Hanoi city is also important. Okay. See this Hanoi over here. Again, there will be from every country there will be not many places which you have to remember. ठीक है, कहीं कहीं हमको कैपिटल देख के छोड़ देना है, ऐसे तो फिर खत्म ही नहीं होगा ये कभी. ठीक है. So Hanoi you will be understanding from here. If Ho Chi Minh, very very important, Ho Chi Minh city, you must have heard about. This is one of the famous city of Vietnam, guys. Ho Chi Minh is over here. See this, and just few minutes after we will be learning about these all seas also. Right, next you see the Malaysia over here. Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur is important. Singapore is important. Kuala Lumpur and this Malaysia part is also on this island. So this Malaysia part you will be finding over here also. Above side Brunei, Bandar Seri Begawan. Southern side you will be finding the part of Indonesia. Alright guys, now you see over here, this is Indonesia, right? And I have told you to remember certain islands. There are 37,000 islands, but some important islands are like Sumatra, important over here. Okay, Jakarta, the capital over here. Java, this is Java Island over here. Bali Island, a small island over here. Honeymoon spot or the tourist spot you can see Bali. Okay, next you will be learning about Flores. Flores Island you see. Flores, because you have to learn few minutes after Flores Sea and all too. Sulawesi, and that is also known as Celebes. This is the island of Sulawesi or Celebes. This you have to remember. Okay, this is Borneo, and Borneo Kalimantan is the part of Indonesia only. So Borneo and Brunei are different, and in between that Malaysia will be coming. Okay, you remember this also. And this New Guinea over here, New Guinea island over here. This is New Guinea. So this you have to understand too. This, can you see Timor Island? This Timor Island, and East Timor is another country. It is not included. East Timor is not included in Indonesia. See it clearly. This is a different country over here. ठीक है, तो ये different country का part है. That is East Timor. That is known as, and the capital is Delhi. Dili, Delhi. Right? And this is your Philippines. Philippines. And Philippines are having a lot of islands. One important island over here where Manila, their capital, is situated. The headquarters of Asian Development Bank, that is Manila, and it is situated in Luzon Island. So very important, Luzon is over here. Sicily, can you tell me Sicily of, Sardinia of, Cape Verde of, Canaries of, and if I ask you Falkland, if I ask you Hawaii, if I ask you Easter, comment it down guys. These, pause the video, comment it down. If I, let me add more so that one list should be ready. Comoros, and which will be independent, you mark it independent also. There is no need like, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है that they will be under some countries only, right? Seychelles, Pemba and Zanzibar, Trinidad and Tobago. Okay, as Prime Minister Modi must have visited, you must have seen in the news that he has visited this country recently, this island country recently. But it doesn't mean that any place would come from here now. ऐसा नहीं है. So be relaxed, है ना? ऐसा नहीं है कि हम उसकी सारी places जान लेंगे अब. ठीक है? but capital you should know, and the capital is interesting of Trinidad and Tobago, that is Port of Spain. Where is Spain? And the capital is Port of Spain. So ये information आप अपने पास रखना इससे related. So over here Luzon, one particular uh, island of Philippines. Let me show you another island over here, that is Mindanao. Mindanao, Mindanao. Mindanao Island, very important guys, Mindanao Island. And this has been come in the examination also, PYQ. Mindanao, directly they have asked. So Mindanao you will be remembering Luzon. Okay, forget rest about. Now see this Japan over here, important, very important guys. Japan, as you will be coming from Philippines, if you will be moving north, you will be finding Japan. And in Japan is a consolidation of basically 4 or 5 islands over here. And you will be finding 4 islands at Hohoshikyu. That is Hokkaido. The largest island is of Japan, Honshu. And Honshu is the most developed one, because over here only you will be seeing most of the development. Shikoku, over here, a small island over here you will be finding, and Kyushu. Right, Kyushu you are going to find. These are the major 4 islands in which Japan is there. But over here you are finding Ryukyu Islands also. And above also some disputed islands you are going to find between Japan and Russia, like this is written over here. Okay, forget about them for now. So let us see. Hokkaido, important. Honshu is highly important because over here a lot of developed city like Sendai framework you must have heard about in disaster management is over here. Fukushima power plant, nuclear power plant accident you must have heard about, Fukushima is over here. Tokyo, the capital, is over here. Yokohama is over here guys. ठीक है, Nagoya Protocol, Nagoya is over here. Nagoya Protocol is related to what? Can you comment? Kyoto, everyone knows. Kyoto Protocol, everyone should be knowing it. I don't have any doubt about it. Right, Kobe over here. Osaka, a lot of places which you must have heard about. Also, where the nuclear bombing happened, the only sites in the world, that is Hiroshima, is also over here, but not Nagasaki. Nagasaki is over here guys, in the Kyushu island. Okay. In Shikoku you will be finding one port city, that is Kochi. And can you tell me Sochi is of which country? Sochi. And I have told you that you might get confused between Sochi. Tell me in the comments guys. Okay. So Sochi over here I have told you in earlier continent. Kochi over here you will be finding like this, Fukushima, Sendai. Okay. By the name itself you can guess that these are of Japan. Okay. So that's why they will not give you this in examination. It will become easy for you, है ना? But एक बार देख लो, Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, Kyushu. You can remember it by Hohoshikyu. ठीक है, Kyushu, Shikoku, Honshu, Hokkaido. And then there are split over here islands, that is Ryukyu Island. And in Ryukyu Island you will be finding one place, that is Okinawa. This is also one famous places. In the songs you must have heard about this Okinawa. Right. So for now these places, इसमें याद रखना कुछ नहीं है आपको, because by the name itself you will be knowing that these are of Japan. That's why they will never give you all these names. But they can give you Kochi, they can give you this Kobe, ठीक है, less heard name. Now see this Mongolia over here. In Mongolia capital is Ulaanbaatar. ठीक है, this you find over here Ulaanbaatar. ठीक है, more than enough. Above side you will be finding Russia, below side China. Russia, already the European Russia you have already seen. I have told you Kaliningrad, important St. Petersburg, Moscow, Rostov, Volgograd, these all places, Kazan, we have seen in European Russia. Now you see the places in the Asian Russia, right? So over here you will be finding some places like Omsk, important. Or I want you to see more about this particular peninsula over here. And this is the peninsula. Time and again I was asking you that this is Kamchatka Peninsula guys, important, and I have asked you also. So this Kamchatka Peninsula is over here you will be finding. Okay, Kamchatka Peninsula. Okay, important. Also over here Sakhalin Island, important for gas reserves. Sakhalin Island, and India is also exploring over here Sakhalin Island. So this island you will be finding over here. Then can you see the Kuril Islands over here? This is Kuril Islands, disputed between Japan and Russia. So Kuril Islands is also the part of Russia, but it is disputed islands over here. So Sakhalin, Kuril you are finding. Kamchatka Peninsula you have seen. You remember this place, another is one port over here, another, right? And this will help us in having this particular connectivity which we want to make it to Chennai. All right. Okay, over here you can see Vladivostok, Chennai to Vladivostok connectivity which we want to make between Russia and India. So Vladivostok is over here, guys. It is also a part of Russia. Vladivostok is different, Volgograd is different. Okay, so remember this. So Vladivostok, Sakhalin, Kuril, another Kamchatka, Omsk, you have to remember over here, right? More than enough. What is remaining? This China you see over here, guys. Okay, China is having important places over here. Again, you see, don't see over here. These are the maps which I have utilized for. These are our part only. So we have to see it like where these are explained in more greater detail. ठीक है, तो हमारा सारा पर्सपेक्टिव अभी मैपिंग लर्न करने के लिए, ठीक है, तो उस पर ध्यान दीजिएगा. So over here you will be learning some of the important places of China. China is an important country, so we have to see it in a bit detail. See guys, over here this is China. China, first of all, capital you see, this is the capital of China, that is Beijing. Now some of the important places over here which I want you to focus is first of all, Shanghai port is very important, right? Shanghai, can you see Shanghai? And Hangzhou port and Shanghai port, one of the busiest port over here you will be finding, Hangzhou and Shanghai. Then some certain autonomous regions, Hong Kong, Macau, you are finding over here. This is Tibet, completely Tibet, Lhasa. This is over here. Kashgar over here. Urumqi over here, right? These are certain important places. Urumqi is in China. You should not get confused with other Central Asia. Kashgar is in China. And Hangzhou and Guangzhou is over here. See it completely. Later I'll be telling you about these different seas also. Then it will become more important. Okay? Now the place Corona, from where Corona spread, Wuhan is over here, guys. ये भी थोड़ा ध्यान में रखना. Again we are not here to हमें ये नहीं करना कि कौन सी place कहाँ पर है exactly. This will not be asked. But yes, if something will be asked like Qingdao is in, they will be asking you Mongolia, China, like this questions are going to come. ठीक है, तो Qingdao over here you can think. ठीक है, Qingdao, because these are the port cities over here. Qingdao, Shanghai, Hangzhou, Guangzhou, okay, these are Beijing are from China, right? See in this map also you will be finding Taiwan over here, right? Taiwan, Hong Kong, Macau, okay. One place Kunming also you can see Kunming. Now see the remaining two countries, that is North Korea and South Korea. देखो, we will not be leaving any countries. We have seen almost all the countries of South of Asia right now, ठीक है. अब इसमें हर कोई चीज इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. वेस्ट एशिया में ज्यादा फोकस करो. रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स इफ यू विल गो वंस, इवन इफ यू विल नॉट रिमेंबर इट, यू विल रिमेंबर इन द एग्जामिनेशन दैट यस यू हैव हर्ड इट इन द ईस्ट एशिया, समवेयर इन साउथ कोरिया, नॉर्थ कोरिया, ऐसे करके आपको ध्यान आएगा. जापान में है या नहीं है, ध्यान आ जाएगा, राइट? बट यू हैव टू गो थ्रू इट वंस. ठीक है, अभी इन्फॉर्मेशन ज़्यादा लग रही है, बट वंस यू विल रिवाइज इट, आई विल बी मेकिंग यू रिवाइज ऑल्सो. वंस यू विल रिवाइज इट, इट विल बी स्मूथ. ठीक है. सो नॉर्थ कोरिया ओनली Pyongyang, you should remember the capital city over here. ठीक है. Now in the south you will be finding that South Korea will start. Also there is one question regarding them, that which of the parallels, latitude you can say, divides North Korea and South Korea. So the answer is 38th parallel, guys. 38th parallel you can see over here divides basically North Korea and South Korea, and in between them you will be finding this border which is demilitarized zone. No military will be present over here. So somewhere in the map you will be finding DMZ. Not important, it will not be asked in the examination. Okay. So over here you see this North Korea, 38th parallel. Okay, which of the parallel divides North America, Canada and USA? Which parallel divides? And I have told you 49th parallel. These two parallel are frequently asked in the examination. Keep in mind, guys. This is South Korea, and South Korea important. First of all, capital over here you will be finding Seoul. ठीक है, Seoul important. Now some of the important places of South Korea are like Busan over here. Busan, ठीक है, important. Busan, ठीक है. One movie is over also which is very famous of Korean movies, and Korean shows are getting very famous. So one movie is Train to Busan, right, is also you must have heard about. ठीक है, यहाँ पर if you want to remember something more is Pyeongchang. This is different. This is not in North Korea. North Korea is Pyongyang, right? Seoul over here you have seen. ठीक है, so these are Seoul over here, North Korea, South Korea. Now almost all countries we have explored of Asia over here, guys. Countries, their borders, important places we have covered. Now the last part is left over here is to understand the different seas, that what all these seas are. Now we will be connecting all this particular Asia continent from the sea, like we have connected of Europe, Sea of Okhotsk, Sea of Japan, Yellow Sea, East China Sea, South China Sea, Sulu Sea, Celebes Sea, Banda Sea, Philippine Sea. ठीक है, we will be making understanding of these places or of these seas, and certain straits are also in between them. Major straits we know, Malacca, Pak, Hormuz, Aden, or this Bab al Mandeb, this we know. But now some of the straits which are present over here, which you might not be familiar with, that we have to understand. Okay, so we'll be learning everything now with respect to the seas. So first of all, I want you to focus over here, guys, this particular part. Okay, this is the Russia, and above that you have understood the North Sea. Can you remember the North Sea over here? Baltic Sea. So this is circular in nature. That's why you are seeing elliptical like this of spherical shape, right? Barents Sea, I have told you already. White Sea, you have understood in the European class or European continent class, right? This is Murmansk. Now, as you will be moving ahead from here, you will be finding one more sea, and that is Kara Sea. And you can understand that this is above Russia, Kara Sea. This is whole Arctic Ocean which is happening over here, which you can see Arctic Ocean, right? And this is Kara Sea. After that, you will be going on and you will be finding Laptev Sea. After that, East Siberian Sea, and then Chukchi Sea. This you have to remember, guys, for multiple reasons. These seas, first of all, are present in the northern side of Russia. Also, these are present in the Arctic Ocean. Near to Arctic Ocean, you are finding this Barents, White Sea in between them. An important place, Murmansk, you will be finding. You will be going ahead Kara Sea. You will be going ahead Laptev, going ahead East Siberian and Chukchi Sea, guys. Okay, now you come over here. Kara, Laptev, East Siberian over here above, East Siberian and Chukchi Sea. After that, you will be coming over here and you will be finding this strait between the Russian landmass, and over here you will be finding the Alaska state, 50th state of USA. In between then a narrow water body which is known as a Bering Strait. Let me show you over here too. Over here you, after Chukchi Sea, you are going to find over here Bering Strait. Bering Strait, and nearby all this sea will be known as Bering Sea. So again over here you will be finding Barents. This is your North Sea. This is your Kara. Then you will be finding Laptev, East Siberian, Chukchi, and over here Bering Strait, and this is a Bering Sea. First of all, this should be clear. Like this we are coming. Bering and North Sea. This is not North Sea but White Sea, guys. Correct it. White Sea. Okay. After that you will be going ahead with Kara. But if you will move it to the left, you will be finding North Sea, Baltic Sea and all European part, as we have discussed. Okay, so the northern part should be clear again. Again, you try to understand. You should not forget the pattern also. After Kara, you will be seeing Laptev, East Siberian, Chukchi, Bering Strait, and then Bering Sea. This much should be clear, guys. If we will go ahead over here, White Sea, Barents Sea, North Sea, Baltic Sea, Bay of Biscay, and Mediterranean Sea. I hope you can imagine this, right? Try to practice by pausing the video one more time. You have to do it yourself, then only it will be successful, or you will be successfully remembering it, right? Now, as you will be moving ahead, you will be finding this whole ocean is Pacific Ocean. These two parts, when you will be joining these two together, this is a globe, right? Spherical shape. So this will be Pacific Sea. But we are concerned about the sea name over here. What are the different seas name over here? So let us focus over this part, and very complex part over here, guys. So when you are seeing this Kamchatka Peninsula over here, already told you Kamchatka Peninsula. When you will come over here in between Japan and Russia, you are finding this sea, and this is Sea of Okhotsk. Pronunciate the way you want, but Okhotsk you are finding like this. The Sea of Okhotsk is over here, right? They can tell you that, they can also give you the order of these seas, different orders, and then you have to correct that order. So for that purpose also you see from that perspective. So Sea of Okhotsk. This is between Kamchatka Peninsula over here, and these Sakhalin Island I have already told you, right? As you will be moving ahead, this Kuril Islands is of Russia, but it disputed between Russia and Japan. Kuril Island. So like this, you are forming Sakhalin, Kuril and Kamchatka. In between that, Sea of Okhotsk is surrounded by. And like this, if they will be picking up this sea, they will be asking you about these particular thing also. Right? As you will be moving ahead, you will be finding Ho Ho Shi Q, Ho Ho Shi Q. This is the way, if you want to remember, you can remember. Otherwise, Honshu, Hokkaido, or this is Hokkaido. First one is Hokkaido. Honshu is the largest one, Honshu. Right? This is over here. A lot of places you are finding Shikoku and Kyushu. This I have told you already over here. Right? And in between Japan, this is Japan over here, and this particular part of below South Korea, North Korea, and this is China border and Russia border you are finding. So Sakhalin Island, Japan countries, island countries, Russia, China, North Korea, and South Korea all are touching their borders with the Sea of Japan. Try to focus over here, Sea of Japan, right? So if they will be asking you Sakhalin Island, Russia, Kuril Island, Russia over here. Okay, or they might be saying it as disputed between Russia and Japan. See in this map also. So this is Russia, this is over here North Korea, this is over here South Korea. Now the most important part which I want you to follow is China having border with this Sea of Japan? Now see it clearly, guys. You will not find the border of China directly to Sea of Japan. And this is where the question can be formed. We are predicting that this question can be formed over here. So that's why, because this is, people will be probably thinking that China is connecting, but actually it is not. Okay, and once it will come in the examination, then onwards people will be focusing more upon over here. So till now question has not come, but this can be asked, and you try to understand that China is not having direct borders with Sea of Japan, because this is covered by North Korea, South Korea, Russia, and over here Japan. Right? Important. As you will be moving out over here from Sea of Japan outwards to this particular China's East China Sea, East China part over here, so you will be finding in between this Yellow Sea and then East China Sea over here, guys. Why Yellow Sea? Because over here I'll be telling you in the rivers that this river will be taking a lot of you will be finding the dust particles, you can say, or the desert particles, you can say, which will be giving it the color of yellow over here, and that's why it is termed as Yellow Sea. Right? Very important. One river, when we'll be seeing the rivers, I'll be telling you the name of river too. So Yellow Sea, very important. You will be coming out and you will be seeing East China Sea, because it is the east, so east facing. Above that you have to remember this is Yellow Sea. So Yellow Sea is being touched by South Korea and this North Korea and China over here, right? So till here you have reached, and before moving ahead we will be consolidating our content. Again, you have understood about from Barents Sea, White Sea, Kara, Laptev, East Siberian Sea, Chukchi Sea. Be one step ahead of me, I'm doing it for you. Bering Strait, Bering Sea, then Sakhalin, and over here you will be finding Sea of Okhotsk, Kuril, Russia. Then you will be finding Japan, Russia, North Korea, South Korea, Sea of Japan, and then over here Yellow Sea, and then over here East China Sea. Now let us move more southernward. Below East China Sea you are finding, if you will be going to the this particular water body, you are finding Philippine Sea over here, Philippines, because nearby Philippine country you will be seeing, and one autonomous region of China, that is Taiwan, is present over here, highly in always come in news over here, Taiwan. Right? Hong Kong, again special administrative region, SAR regions we call them, special administrative regions, right? Hong Kong over here, Macau over here, right? In this map also you see East China Sea we have come to, Yellow Sea. This is the nearby Philippines, so these are all Philippine seas. One island, Ryukyu Islands, you should know that these are of Japan. Okinawa, I have already told you, Japan. From Taiwan, you will be finding this particular Tropic of Cancer is passing. Right? In the and I'll be doing what I'll be doing, we will be focusing more upon these Tropic of Cancer part also. Okay? Then you will be finding this island type of region, that is Henan. See over here, Henan. Okay, I'll be zooming it out also, don't worry. But this is Philippines, broad thing you see. See over here, this I have zoomed it out now. Philippines, you are finding Philippine countries, these islands I have told you, Luzon, This is Mindanao, two island I have told you to remember, right? When you will be coming over here, you have to come out from this strait. This is known as Luzon Strait. So Luzon Strait is over here you can find, which is separating this Philippines, right? Luzon Strait. You will be coming over here, Henan. You have already understood Macau, Hong Kong. Okay, when you will be coming over here, these all is known as South China Sea, the most disputed region over here, because if you will see that most of the countries are having their EEZ over here, and who is trying to dominate over here in the last decade, you will be finding that is China. Okay, so South China Sea over here you will be finding. And one more region I want you to remember, that is between Vietnam and over here China, that is Gulf of Tonkin. Gulf of Tonkin. So you have a lot of gulfs also. Guinea, Gulf of Guinea, Gulf of Carpentria, Gulf of Mexico, and this now Gulf of Tonkin. Like this, one question can come on the Gulf part also. Right? Try to tell me in the comments which I have asked you over here, guys, because all these I have discussed already. South China Sea. Now in South China Sea between Philippines, Vietnam, China over here, and Indonesia from the southernward side you will be finding. There are certain islands which are highly in news, and these are Paracel Islands, Spratly Islands, right? And one more island which is not shown over here, that is over here Scarborough Island. Scarborough Islands. This also you mark. Scarborough Islands. Now these three islands are disputed. These three islands over here you will be finding the dispute between Paracel Islands, China, though China is controlling them right now, but the legitimate claim is not over here. So Paracel is between Philippines, China and Vietnam. When you will be seeing Spratly, Indonesia, Brunei will also come into picture and will be claiming a part of these islands too. Scarborough also you will be finding over here. Scarborough Islands. Scarborough. The spelling will be like this. Shoals also you will be finding. Scarborough Shoals like this. Okay, where is it? It is over here, nearby to this. So these are the islands present in South China Sea. From this perspective also you think, right? The question can come in any way. Okay, and you have learned a lot of islands now, and I've been trying to tell you that this way they can form the question islands on one side and the particular sea they are connected with, like Caribbean Sea, Mediterranean Sea, South China Sea. Now you have Indian Ocean, you have Atlantic Ocean, you have, like this question will be for surely there. Okay, so from here you can see, when you are coming from East China Sea, you have to go from Taiwan Strait, because this is Taiwan over here. Below Taiwan and Philippines, you have Luzon Strait. These two things you will be remembering. You will come out, you will be finding Hong Kong. You will be coming out, you will be finding this Henan province and Gulf of Tonkin. You will be going below, you will be finding South China Sea. From East China Sea, South China Sea. Right? Paracel, Scarborough and Spratly you have to remember. Remember that Paracel is above and the Spratly is below. Now, as you will be coming from Spratly Island to this particular Malaysia, to this particular over here, you will be finding Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore. You will be going to this Gulf of Thailand. This is Gulf of Thailand. Gulf of Tonkin will be above over here. So see it clearly. So Gulf of Thailand, the countries attached over here are Cambodia. Will there be this particular country? Laos? No, because it is a land, this is a, what you can say, it is a landlocked country. And over here Vietnam, over here Thailand, Gulf of Thailand say connected already. But will you be saying Myanmar? No, Myanmar on the western side, where our Andaman Sea will be coming over here, right? And when you will be moving, when you will be coming from the Nicobar, from our side over here, Indian side, you will be finding that this is Strait of Malacca you have to pass from, through this Malaysia and between Indonesia. And between this you will be understanding in the Indian physical class, where you will be understanding Nicobar, Andaman Island. Here you will be seeing the Great Channel. Great Channel, guys. This is the Great Channel between Indonesia and Nicobar. And between Myanmar and Andaman, Coco Channel you will be finding. So two channels, Coco Channel, Great Channel, are separating. Coco Channel separating Myanmar with India, whereas Indonesia is separating Great Channel. Great Channel is separating Indonesia with India, right? So this type of thinking you have to develop. Strait of Malacca coming out, Gulf of Thailand, or either South China Sea you can go. Now if I am moving from the Strait of Malacca, because this is the zoomed picture, ठीक है, Strait of Malacca, you are going to find between this particular three island country, Indonesia, which is known as Borneo, Malaysia and Brunei. Borneo is a province of Indonesia only, ठीक है, तो यह ध्यान में रखना है. So between this you will be finding Karimata Strait. Karimata Strait, guys. Strait of Malacca, Karimata Strait. And then you will be moving ahead, you will be finding Java Island, important Java Sea, on which Jakarta is there. Move out, you will be finding Sulawesi Island of Indonesia. Between Sulawesi and Borneo, Makassar Strait. A lot of things are accumulating. Don't worry, let me just explain you again. See over here. When you are coming over here, you are finding Coco Channel, great channel. You will be moving out, and you will be finding that this Strait of Malacca. Between this Indonesia and Malaysia or Singapore also you will be finding over here. When you are going from here to this particular part, this is South China Sea, this is Gulf of Thailand, this is Gulf of Tonkin, Paracel, Scarborough, Spratly you are going to find over here. Now as you have to move from here to here between Borneo and this Java, you have to move out from this Karimata Strait. Karimata Strait. And as you will be coming out over here, you will again be finding between these two particular Borneo and Sulawesi, you will be finding it as Makassar. Makassar Strait. Makassar Strait. Right. If I talk about strait only, we have seen Bering Strait from here. We have seen Taiwan Strait. We have seen this particular Luzon Strait. Right. Then you will be coming on to this Karimata over here, sorry, Strait of Malacca, Karimata, and then over here Makassar. So as you will be moving out from Java Sea, you will be finding, if you want to cross these two islands, Makassar Strait. If you will go below, you will be finding this Flores over here, Flores Sea, because Flores Island is over here. And there are a lot of islands which you don't have to remember, like Flores, Sumbawa, Sumba, but you just understand that you have to pass from Flores Sea over here, right? And then you will be finding over here one more different country, that is East Timor. Timor is a part of Indonesia. East Timor is a separate country known as, and that capital is known as Delhi. Delhi. Right, then you will be finding Banda Sea, and then this is also the part of Indonesia, that is New Guinea. Understand, very important. New Guinea, Papua New Guinea is the separate country nearby this. And over here you are finding Banda Sea between New Guinea, between East Timor and Sulawesi over here. Majorly, though question will not be asked from here, because over here this is complicated. They will not be throwing you Seram, Buru, Mongoli, ये सब नहीं देने वाले आपको, ठीक है, don't worry about that. Now you see over here, when you will be moving out from Malacca Strait, you will be finding Celebes Sea. ठीक है, तो three things you are knowing. If you will be passing out from, if I say this is Malacca, then you will be finding either you can move like this, and you will be finding Karimata Strait, and this is between Borneo and Indonesia. And over here, if you want to go, you will be finding South China Sea, Gulf of Thailand, Gulf of Tonkin, right? And this is Philippines over here. Now, if you will be moving out between between this Borneo and between this Sulawesi, you are finding Makassar. If you will be moving out from Makassar, or if you will be going like, you have to pass through Makassar. If you are going like this, you will be finding Flores Sea, and this is Java Sea over here. This is Flores Sea over here. If you're moving above, you will be finding Celebes Sea. And moving ahead, you will be finding Banda Sea. Right? This much information is more than enough. Again, you see Java, Flores, Banda. Makassar Strait से जाओगे तो Celebes over here. This is Celebes. ठीक है, more than enough if you are understanding like this. So Celebes, Banda, Flores, Java. Now again, if we will see this part, now if I hope it is becoming easy for you. This is over here Kara Sea. This is Laptev. This is East Siberian. This is Chukchi Sea. This is Bering Sea. Sorry, Bering Strait first of all, then Bering Sea. Kamchatka Peninsula. This is Sea of Okhotsk. This is Japan, Sea of Japan. This is over here North Korea, South Korea, and this part is known as Yellow Sea, East China Sea, Taiwan Strait, Luzon Strait, and you will be entering into this South China Sea. But over here Gulf of Tonkin, Henan Province, Gulf of Thailand. Move out and if you will go this direction, Karimata Strait, this direction, Malacca Strait, right? This direction, Makassar Strait. Now you talk about the sea. This is Java Sea above Java Island, Flores Sea above Flores Island, Banda Sea nearby Banda Island, and over here this is Celebes Sea. Important. ठीक है, नहीं सी. But you have to practice. Now pause the video and try to practice like this. ठीक है. This is when you will be understanding Bay of Bengal over here, and then you will be passing this particular through Park Strait. More will be Indian physical when we will be seeing the Indian map. ठीक है. Then you will be coming over here Arabian Sea, and this is easy part now. This I have already told you and shown you. This is Gulf of this is Gulf of Oman, because Oman country is over here. Then you will be passing through Hormuz Strait and Persian Gulf. If not, you have to move from here Gulf of Aden, Bab al Mandeb, and this is a Red Sea over here. Right, Red Sea. Then you will be passing through this which canal? Suez Canal, and reaching up to the Mediterranean Sea. If not, this is Black Sea. Black Sea में चले जाओ. Right. I hope you are getting all the understanding of this. We have not just marked, guys. If you are practicing it, you must be feeling confident that you have remembered it too. Right now, what I want, just utilize this information, because a lot of information I have given you in today's class. You need some time to absorb this information first. Don't search many things at once. Try to fix certain things, and if you will be understanding till now, 80-90% we have got over with. In the last part of Asia, we'll be seeing the physical features, and we'll be getting over with Asia. Then one more class I'll be taking on Australia and Antarctica. Very less information are over there, because Australia one country, Antarctica one part we have seen, right? We have to see, right? So this is all for this particular class. What I want is to utilize your day, or before the class, before coming to the next class, try to revise. After closing this class, try to revise all the information, right? ठीक है guys, thank you so much. I'll be meeting you in the next class then. ठीक है, keep revising.